Alright guys, how's it going? Moto Dragon here again. Holy fuck, it's so windy today. That's literally every video fucking ever. But today's gonna be the test of my new microphone. Holy fuck, it's so windy. It's actually probably the best way to test it, to be honest. So I bought a Zoom H1N external audio recorder from our videos, and I had a really good microphone to use. Oh, he's going left. Oh, do I go left now, or because I have to go left? Oh yeah, I suppose I have to go fucking left, right? I have to go get air in my tires. My pressures are so fucking low from Mondello. I just didn't do them, didn't fix them. But yeah, I bought a Zoom H1N, and I have a really good microphone. But with the Zoom, oh, there's a fly in my helmet. Piss off, fly. With the Zoom, the microphone was just fucking dirt. It was so bad. The audio was so shit. And I've recorded a video like 3 or 4 times, and every time I've messed with the settings. So now I have the settings changed to what people tell me it works best. So I'm really hoping that this mic is good, because I bought a new mic, and the mic I bought was literally like a tenner. It was so cheap. So I'm hoping the sound is okay with it. For a tenner, it feels like it's probably €2, where it's so bad, but you never know. Sometimes with these really cheap stuff you can just get really lucky. I have a hip cramp now. But yeah, I'm hoping the audio is good. As you can see, I'm actually getting much better with the wheelies. I'm able to get them up and I'm able to hold them, but I just drop them then. Oh, my fucking hip. I have such a bad hip cramp, and I don't know why. But yeah, I was in Mondello again yesterday. I really have the track bug. Try another wheelie. See, like that, I get them up and I get them to a point and I just drop them. I just need to practice with the rear brake, but I'll get there. All fucking practice. Sure, look where I went from some of my videos, a little hop and it came up a little bit, to now I'm actually getting them up and I'm bringing them up. But yeah, practice, my friends, practice. But yeah, I was in Mondello again yesterday, this time with the intermediate group instead of novice, and I had such a fucking good time. Me and Rob, Rob's very first time on track ever, and he loved it. He done so good. So I'm so happy that he has the bug now, so I have more people to go with now. But yeah, I have the bug so bad for the track. I'm going to be going again in August, and I don't know, I have an onboard that I'm going to upload because it was one of my faster ones. But is this stuff you'd like to see with my onboards? Would you like to see some onboards? Especially now that I'm with the proper fast, well, not proper fast, but the faster people, especially than a novice. There is some fast fuckers in novice though, but everything's just that little bit faster. We also had Jack Kennedy on the track, who's he races professionally, and I think it's either World Superbike or just or British Superbikes. I think it's British Superbikes, BSB, and he has the lap record in Mondello in the national track. And fuck me, is he fast! Jesus Christ! In the onboard, he just blows past me, and then he's never to be seen again. So fast. But you know, this is only my 3rd time on track, and I think I'm doing quite well. Fucking cars there. I'll have to go to another petrol station. For being in my 3rd track day, I know, and I'm already up in intermediate group, so I really need to get a track bike. Oh, good fucking job, you cunt. But yeah, I think I'm doing quite well. So I can only get better until I crash. But yeah, I'm really fucking loving the track, and I'm loving this bike on the track. It's fucking amazing. The only thing is, especially when it comes to like the faster bikes, I can see the difference. But yeah, I'm really enjoying the track, and I'm gonna be recording a good bit. Thankfully, I haven't had any like near misses or anything like that. I've been fairly lucky with my near misses. So like what I'm doing is I'm not going too far beyond my limit. You know, every time I go on track, I'm pushing my limit, and I'm doing different things like with my braking. So my braking's the thing I really need to just work on. And the reason for that is because I don't want to brake too hot into or too deep into a corner, because I'm on my road bike. I try to control how I crash, if that makes sense. So by me doing most of my braking beforehand, letting the people that are obviously faster than me ahead, you know, it kind of makes it a bit safe for me. It kind of means I can control more. There you have a green. There you go. Welcome back. So obviously there's going to be people that are on their track bikes, and they're a lot more comfortable with the braking. So I just let them go ahead, that's fine. But yeah, like, so that's all stuff I can work on once I learn the track more, and I'm gonna I'll experiment more with my braking points, and you know, where I can brake a bit harder. You'll always see in my on my onboards, the very last corner in Mondello Dunlop, I brake fairly early for that. That corner caught me out a few times when I first started, so I'm a little cautious of that corner. It's starting to rain, fuck's sake. But you know, that's okay. There's the whole thing of bringing your road bike on track. Some people are happy enough to do it, and they don't really care for crashing. I don't particularly want to crash, especially on my road bike. You know, if I was to crash, well, I'm happy I'm crashing on track, but you know, I'm happy enough with the progress I'm making. I'm fast in my own ability, so if that makes sense. Like, I'm not going out to fucking set lap records and all. Like, I think the fastest I've done was like a 1:15, and the lap record is 53 seconds. But that's a fucking professional rider, so 1:15 for me I think it's fucking amazing. Maybe one day I might get down to, you know, sub 110. I don't know if I will on my road bike. No, that's the thing. But I hope you guys enjoyed the onboards. I'm also hoping that the audio is fucking good. Also, actually, the video quality should be better. Petrol station here, actually, I go to. I'm now recording in 2K and rendering out in 1080p. Speed wash, I'm a fucking speed wash. It's bleeding services. For fuck's sake. She wasn't happy with me. Momager was not happy. Every petrol station, where's all their fucking air? I'll just have to get it done up here, whatever, be grand. But yeah, I hope the video quality is better, or you've noticed the better video quality. As I said, I'm doing 2K, 60 FPS, all flat colors, sharpness low, all the Pro Tune settings, and then I'm changing it myself. Oh, I didn't think he fucking seen that guy turning. And then I'm changing myself, and literally all I'm doing is kind of like tweaking the saturation, and I have kind of two presets. One for if it's like a dull day like this, kind of just bring the little colours up, like the greens and the trees and all. And then if it's really nice and sunny out, I'll bring the blues out in the sky. You know, I don't really know what I'm talking about, to be honest, but it sounds like I do, so that's okay. Sure, that's half the professionals in this fucking world, isn't it? But yeah, so I'm hoping now the audio's good, and I'm hoping now that the video quality is good and everything's okay. And then also in terms of the giveaway, so I've been on 1,000 subscribers now for I think about 2 weeks. I have about 2008, I think, so that's fucking savage. Thank you all, everyone, for fucking subscribing. It's so cool that I'm at 1,000 subscribers. And the giveaway I will be doing fairly soon. It's literally just getting time to do it. So now I'm going off to RPM, might be getting my oil changed, just because I've done 2 track days in this oil, so I'd like fresh oil in the beach to keep it running nice. I need to price a few bits as well, so I might get it done today. So basically the way I have it done is I have a little fucking formula set up in Excel that's literally just going to pull a name at complete random. I'm going to show you all the formula I'm using, all just so you know there's no trickery in it. And it's literally the minute I paste it and I hit enter, that's done. Fucking, that's it. There's no going back. But yeah, guys, so I'm going to end the video here while I'm going to Ronan's. But yeah, guys, that's the video. Hope you enjoy. Hopefully the audio's good, video's good. Fucking again, thanks for 1,000 subs. Hope everything's just fucking good. But that's the video. Hope you enjoyed. This guy's going so slow. Like, comment, and subscribe. I'll talk to you on the next video.